face. You don't want to see face. We blame them. See, you don't give blame them a president at TikTok. You don't see blame them face. TikTok like you need to come out in a mask too. You need to come out in a mask too. And that you need to do too. Yeah. Nobody have no problem with that. When you no sit down in a box with Nicki Minaj and blame them and the whole of uno, nobody have no problem not seeing him face. Everybody alright. And him use him no face and go to the top. So we have a no face man and a no face woman. So we have to work with it. We have to work with it. One no face man and one no face blood clot woman. Some of you just hide on a blood clot face because you so pussy clot ugly. In ice cream at daytime. Yeah, we have a no face man and a no face woman. That's it. That is it. What we are going to do? All the other people, them then come just to see.